In this segment of Mrs. M's Math to the Masses in a Minute, we want to talk about triangle congruency statements and properties of congruent triangles. So, if we want to prove two triangles are congruent to each other, it would be a long, drawn-out process to show that 6 things were true. All 3 angles of one had a corresponding congruent angle in the other, and all 3 sides of one had a corresponding congruent side length in the other. The good news is, in a minute we'll go through 5 shortcuts that allow you to only have to know 3 things. But first, what we really do need to know is about corresponding parts of congruent triangles are always congruent, and it's referred to as CPCTC for corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. So here you see it, and it's all about the name. Look at triangle ABC on the left and triangle DEF on the right, clearly marked, showing what is the same size. When they named the 2 triangles and put the congruent sign between them, and it was important that they use the triangle symbol because we know angles are named with 3 letters. And it was important the order they put the vertices in, because I immediately know that angle A is the exact same size as angle D because they're both in the first position of their names. Likewise, angle B has the exact same degrees of opening as angle E because they are the middle vertices in their triangle names, and angle C and angle F are the same size. The segment lengths between the vertices, the length of segment AB between angle A and angle B is the exact same as the length of DE, and again it's listed that way in the name. BC is the same length as EF, and lastly segment AC is the exact same length as segment DF.